Wagwan, beautiful people. It's Nino from Nino and Lo. It's time to cook some callaloo. I'm using Jamaican Callaloo, but you can use any kind of greens that you prefer. So hit that like button and let's get started. Some callaloo, steam some callaloo. You need some onions, some scotch bonnet pepper. You need some garlic, some bell pepper. Don't forget to add your tomatoes and your fresh thyme leaves and butter, of course, because butter makes everything taste better. So you just get your callaloo and you cut it up in bigger, smaller pieces as you want. And just ensure that you get all your vegetables all cut up. You can cut them up any size that you desire. It's your callaloo. You cook it the way you want it, to your flavor and to your taste. Add everything to the pot all at once. This is going to be a one-pot cook, and it's going to taste good. So one pot is all we're going to use. Add all your vegetables, some butter, your fresh thyme leaves. Just put it all on top. Add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of water just to allow some steaming to happen. Cover it up and let it rock and roll, because when it's done, you can't eat it with just about anything. Fantastic vegetarian dish that will be enjoyed by the entire family. So love it up, like it up, and enjoy it. To all my foodies out there and my subscribers, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next episode.